All right, so we got a busted hose right here, and what we're gonna use is an angle grinder to cut it. It's about 5 feet from the end. You can see we're gonna cut it before the bust. All right, now you got the ends open. You can see the wire in there. That's what a one wire hose looks like. So this is your repair kit, and on the inside, you see there's really thick threading, like ridges, and that's gonna go on to the hose. All right, so when you put that on, it's reverse threaded. As you can see, we've got the hose all the way to the tip of the connector. Now we've added the second piece to screw it in. And now you see that it's all the way down.